4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,700 square feet. Cerritos is all about family. It's super popular. Asking $650. I ran the comps. They're kind of all over the place from $750 to $900. Ta-da. Ooh, it's a stinky one.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, my gosh.
Come on.
Ew. Look, I think the carpet was once pink like 800 years ago. Oh, my God. Ah! Oh, my God, there's like 800 flies in there.
Come on. Wow, this is a special house. Would we remove that wall right there?
This is a, okay, how big is this house?
1,700 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
This is a very, 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 very small kitchen. And actually the family room's incredibly small too. It's almost like you would open all this up and not have a dining room and do a big kitchen.
So about 12,000 in here.
Okay, let's move on.
All right, let's look at this bathroom. It's a good-sized bathroom.
The combination of carpet with the low lighting and the counters.
It's probably about 9 grand, 10 grand in here. Wow. Oh, this is where the dogs were living. It's a good-sized bedroom. Is this, you know what? Hold on. So there's another door to this bathroom. It's an ensuite and a guest bath. This is a big problem.
Okay. Do you think upstairs is gonna be worse or better?
Better. Oh, God, the smell. We have a huge problem.
What?
This is the only other bathroom, so there's no private ensuite.
There's literally only 2 bathrooms here?
Yeah.
There's no half bath?
No, that's a problem.
You know, there's poo on the floor.
Yeah, there is. All right, probably about 10 grand in here.
Very small, very creepy bedroom.
Oh.
What is it?
I'm gonna burn my shoes.
Oh, jeez. Let's go see the backyard.
This is the backyard? Oh, no. There's no yard.
It smells so bad of urine, it is unreal.
You know what? I mean, this could be a huge selling point. There's a full-on park right here. You have baseball fields right here.
Okay. Is Jeff coming?
Yeah, he'll be here soon. Okay, I know the house is disgusting. I know the house is nasty, but in my opinion, it's in pretty good shape. So what do you think?
So the way it sits, you're looking at 77 grand.
So what do you want to do?
Here's the problem with this house. There's no private bathroom. We have to add an additional toilet somewhere.
Yeah, the kitchen's really small, and we should probably do something in there, but we can figure that out later.
Well, we can't pay $650. I don't see any way this house is gonna sell for $850.
No way is someone gonna pay $650 like this. Come on. Like, I feel like you could definitely get it for lower than $650.
I think if we can get it for $600,000, we're safe. All right, I'm gonna write an offer at 6.
Okay.
All right, I'll let you know if we get it.
Oh, thanks.
The seller agreed to sell us the house for $600,000, and this huge mess, it's all ours. But Christina won't step foot into this house until it's cleaned out, so that's happening now. Okay, it's all open.
Oh, wow.
So much better.
Look how much better it looks that we made the door smaller, too.
I think it came out great. What are you thinking for design in here?
This I want to show you first.
Oh, I love that.
Countertop.
Cerritos is a popular neighborhood for young families, so I think if we choose a trendy design, especially in the kitchen, it'll definitely pay off.
It's cork, so it looks like cement, so it's not porous like cement, but it's beautiful. Floors, I like the contrast.
Okay. What is this?
Backsplash. What?
Is that why it was turned around?
It's pretty.
It's pretty wild.
It's wild, but that's because we're trying to get the younger buyers.
Younger, not 13.
Okay, I do have another option. So this is a Zlige tile, and that's extremely popular right now.
I like this combo right here.
Love that too. I think we should do as much backsplash as we can, so like on that whole wall.
Okay. I'm scared to ask, but is it in budget?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so we're definitely taking this down.
Take what down?
This patio cover with the thing with the bugs trapped to it.
We can take the tape down. We're not taking the patio cover down. Would you rather stand here? It's nice. We're having a conversation. Or would you rather be out here in the scorching
Yeah,
heat?
there's dog poop out there. I'd watch out.
Nice.
We cannot leave this. This is such an eyesore.
Why don't we just paint all of it white? And if you hate it when it's done, we can take it down.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, I'm being serious. And I have another idea. I think it would be a big selling point for a buyer to come in with young kids, and if they saw a gate right there and realized there's a huge field behind them, I mean, we would love that.
Now, here's the thing with the gate. The city probably doesn't allow it.
For now, can we go to the city, find out if it's even possible?
Yeah, we could do that.
Counters are really nice.
It looks like stone, actually. If you look at it.
Really
Want to come
modern.
on this side?
The kitchen is huge now.
I know. Did we make it too big?
Don't forget, like on the opposite side, way over there, there's gonna be a dining table. So like visually, it's gonna look different. And don't forget too, the backsplash is gonna go all the way on this wall. It's gonna look crazy.
It's really, really cool. We're ready to list Cerritos.
Okay.
We paid $600,000 for the house. Originally, the rehab was $77,000. We did the super kitchen, we moved the slider, we spent a little bit more money. The total rehab came to $89,000. We have a couple thousand in staging and about $30,000 in closing costs and commission. So the break even is right over $722,000.
Okay. What are the comps?
Same model, just sold, doesn't have the big driveway, doesn't back to the park, not as nice, sold for $840,000.
So how high are you thinking?
I was thinking $888.
Lucky eights. Think it's worth a shot? One of the nice things about this house is it's totally set back and private. The paint actually turned out really nice, and my favorite part are these natural front doors.
Yeah. All right, you ready to see this thing?
Let's do it.
Here we go. Well, it doesn't smell like urine, and I don't see cockroaches.
Oh, it's so pretty.
The house came out beautiful. What's your favorite part?
Backsplash.
Backsplash? I love the fireplace. I think it was worth every penny. I mean, look at this thing. Do you believe this used to be a wall right here? The kitchen used to end right here.
It's a huge kitchen.
Super kitchen.
Look at it.
Yeah.
All these cabinets, so much storage.
You know what I like too? The stager set up this room as a dining room. Like I thought it was gonna be like a family room, right? I mean, it makes a lot more sense to me. Yeah, but it's super cute. And look at the size of the table. This house has a lot more space than I thought.
Mm-hmm. Oh, looks so cute out here.
So where you say, Tarek, I'm so happy we saved the patio cover. Now,
I'm gonna give it to you, and like this rarely happens, like when you're cheap, but actually saving the patio cover, it was a good decision and it looks really nice. And I got something for you.
kids are gonna love that. All right, so this is the one area of the house that's stressing me out. No private primary bathroom.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a shared bathroom.
Well, at least it's an extremely nice bathroom. I love the design. The shower tile looks beautiful.
The design is good. It's the functionality that makes me nervous.
Well,
But you go that way, I'll go this way. It's a good sized bedroom though.
the stagers did a great job.
Wow, this bathroom is way bigger than I remember.
It's huge, huh?
Oh my gosh.
I like that we carried the same look throughout. It looks really pretty.
Starting to feel good about this house.
Oh, this is a really nice bedroom. I love the view of the park.
Bedroom number 3. You know, not the biggest bedrooms, but they work. They're cute,
Yeah.
you know?
Okay. Bedroom 4. Oh, this is the biggest one. It's just like a very comfortable house.
It is. I think the house came out great. I love the design. Do you think this is a house worth $888,000?
Yes.
I do, right?
Yeah, the long driveway, the privacy, the design looks really nice. I think we'll get it.
888. 888.
Yeah, lucky eights.
Lucky eights. Initially, we were so stressed about not having an ensuite, but in the end, it didn't deter buyers. After 5 days on the market and receiving 4 offers, we closed escrow at $910,000.